Ever since the country registered its first COVID-19 case, business has been slow, and this has been made worse by the total lockdown in the country. It has also affected the country's revenue collections. However, the continued lockdown across the globe means that Uganda must find ways of funding itself as it battles COVID-19. And to do this, the country is looking to the generosity of its people and the private sector. To manage this fundraising drive, the President recently appointed a 13-member team led by Minister for General Duties, Karoro Okrut. Other members of the team include the Secretary to Treasury, Keith Muhakanizi, Dr. Ian Clark, and New Vision Chief Robert Kabushenga, among others.
Remember, the entire population of Uganda have their eyes focused on you. They want accountability. Because when people give, they want to see that whatever they have given is put to the right use.
Government has collected over 2.5 billion shillings in donations through this drive, and the new team is supposed to mobilize more funds. This, however, comes a few days after 3 officials from the office of the Prime Minister were arrested by the State House Anti-Corruption Unit over inflating prices of food relief. And amidst this mistrust, the Prime Minister sought to allay fears that this money would be misused.
It's a team of patriots who are not going to get one coin for serving the people of Uganda. On the contrary, they are going to render their expertise, their knowledge, their time, and money and other things to support this cause. So the question of them earning any money is out of question.
Although the donations are done publicly, it's not clear where the cash goes. So how will the team ensure accountability?
The cash is going on account, and this account is going to be announced. But also, we are working with finance to ensure that all this money is pulled together, and then we have a budget which we shall present formally to the committee. They allocate these funds, and we go and use the money and come back and account to the committee.
Several companies have donated various items. These include the Indian communities across the country, the Pakistan community, Meridian Tobacco Company, and a young man who donated 10,000 shillings, among others.
I want to appreciate government for distributing food in vulnerable areas, particularly areas in the slums. Like in Nakawa, we have quite a number of slums, but the challenge is that the speed is so low. When you calculate Nakawa, we have 240 villages, but in 3 days, they have only worked on 2 villages. I pray that if they could change ways of distributing food, all give these people money.
A lot of food items and other necessities in the fight against COVID-19 have been given out by the different companies and agencies, but what has not come out clear on the side of government is a comprehensive report on how many people are in need during this very time, who are supposed to be benefiting from such kind of items, and where are they? It now remains on the side of government to ensure that whatever has been donated is utilized and given to those who are in need. Sudhir Biarhanga, NTV.